guys, so this is Snooze Out Studios. Today we're here to do some bug fixes and the modeling for the Wheel of Fortune that you guys, well, put most of my views in. So, yeah, we're gonna do some bug fixing on this, and there's a spin in here, all the kind of stuff. So, so first of all, let's rotate this so it's like a table. We just jumped right into the tutorial. And then, you guys told me to do the arrows a lot, so for the arrows, I use a mesh part. I think there's a code for this that you could, I don't think there's a code, so let's just delete these for now. No, not delete them. We're going to make our own arrows that look just like them. So we're going to make it like perfect, you need to, I recommend 0.3 steps. So why did I do that? Okay. So now scale it. These are cylinders. Okay, so now scale it down like this, or yeah, this is just fine. So now let's insert a wedge. Let's insert it again. Okay. So let's hope it works this time. Okay, it worked. So yeah, let's rotate it. And then yeah, as you can see, it's the exact same height as a cylinder. So if you put it locked on the grid, then it works much better. Let's put the 0.1. Yeah, that's better. So now let's put halfway so it matches up perfectly to the second part, to the cylinder. Oh, finally it's turning daytime. So. Yeah. So now, let's duplicate this, and then rotate it the other way, and then it looks perfect actually. Well, almost perfect, but let's remove the texture. That'll make it look better. So smooth, metal or smooth plastic works best. So where's smooth plastic? Yeah, smooth plastic. So I know it's not perfect, but it's good enough. So let's give this one like a color. You know, it just looks better with the color. So now let's scale these down, or you don't have to scale these down actually. So now let's group these. Why is it so hard to just select it? Why is it so hard to just select these? Okay, so now let's group these, and then arrow, and then we move it to the wheel. We're gonna do the how to make a wheel part later in the video. Okay, so now we're going to Control D to duplicate, and then turn it, and then you can put here if you want. Okay, that's better. So now we're going to put on the exact other side, and then rotate it. Okay. I'm so used to using Blender that I sometimes use the wrong controls. So this isn't like perfect, so let's like turn it like that. And yeah, looks pretty good. Wait, actually no, I just figured out that I have to put the arrow over here. Perfect. Okay. Now it's perfect. Now let's group these arrows if you want to. Just to make things easier. Arrows. And yeah, we're done with the arrows. So let's move these arrows aside for now. Remember to anchor them. So yeah, these are the arrows. And now we're going to, let's just delete these arrows right now. Okay, now we're gonna do how to make the actual wheel. So let's ungroup this so I could show you. So this is the main wheel. It's a lot of you just use a cylinder, but to reduce lag, I use a square, and I use like a block instead, and then I make it transparency to 1, and then I add the decal on it. So there are lots of decals, and you could upload one for free. But I could just put the decal code in the description. So it's made up of 3 parts: the base, and the placeholder, and the wheel. So for the base and the placeholder, all you need to do is just simply add in some cylinders. And then this, you need to create a block, put the transparency to, well, this is 0.95, you kind of see it. So yeah, we're going to put it to 1 so you can't see it anymore. And then I'll add the decal in the decal code or link in the description. So yeah, let's put these back up together. Also, don't group them. Actually, no. You gotta group them actually. So yeah, it's placed onto the placeholder, and that's good. So where you guys usually mess up is that don't put the spin in the group model. Put it in workspace. So I know that's kind of weird, but yeah, that's just how you do it. So these are the arrows. You gotta put the arrows. Okay. Why is the base so misplaced? Okay, so you put the spin, the arrows into the model. The model can be called whatever you want. So it could be called Wheel of Fortune. That's how I named it before. And the spin is in the workspace. So let's test the game. And it always goes like this. I don't know why. It's just laggy. I mean, it just doesn't load in. It's not laggy. So let's just wait for a second. And into the game. So yeah, I got this plugin, the day and night plugin, but for some reason the plugin screwed the script up, so it looks like this now. So yeah, I can spin all the stuff. And I just won $500, another $150, and $250. I'm rich. So yeah, I'm not that sure how to actually give you the money. Somebody once suggested me that. So yeah. The wheel doesn't spin if you put the spin into the Wheel of Fortune. So Yeah. It doesn't work, so let me put it into like a model, and then when I play it, as you can see, it doesn't work. It just, yeah. I don't know exactly why it doesn't work, but it doesn't work. So you have to put the spin on the workspace. Yeah, if there's any other suggestions you want to ask me, like about the wheel or anything else, then yeah, I have a lot of suggestions. So that's why I haven't been uploading lately. I've been working on them. So yeah. So thank you guys for putting all most of my views to these videos and all that kind of stuff. It makes me popular. It also makes me happy. And so Epic is starting a channel too. So remember to like and subscribe to him. All my friends like GW Plays and Otter Plays. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of my video. Remember to like and subscribe. This snooze out.